Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Before we go through, don't forget to subscribe and also give some thumbs up. So today our topic is about what are the different types of networks. So my name is Mohamed Aiedil Putera bin Sulaiman, ID metric I191033659, and I was Master 4. Let's look more closely at alternative networking technologies available to business. Signals, digital versus analog. There are two ways to communicate a message in a network: an analog signal or a digital signal. First, analog signal is represented by a continuous waveform that passes through a communication medium and has been used for voice communication. For example, telephone handset, the speaker on your computer, or your iPod earphone, all of which create analog waveforms that your ear can hear. Second, digital signal is a discrete, binary waveform rather than a continuous waveform. Digital signals communicate information as strings of two discrete states, 1 bits and 0 bits, which are represented as one of electrical pulses. Require a modem to convert these digital signals into analog signals that can be sent over or received from telephone lines, cable lines, or wireless media that use analog signals. Type of networks. There are many kinds of network and ways of classifying them. One way of looking at network is in terms of their geographic scope. First, local area network. If you work in a business that use networking, you are probably connecting to other employees and groups via a local area network. Local area network, or we call LAN, LAN, is designed to connect personal computers and other digital devices within a half mile or 500 meter radius. LANs also are used to link to long-distance wide area networks, WANs once described later in this section, and other networks around the world using the internet. The most common LAN operating system are Windows, Linux, and Novel. Larger LANs have many clients and multiple servers, with separate servers for specific service such as storing and managing files and database, file server or database server, managing printers such as print servers, storing and managing mail servers, or storing and managing web servers. Metropolitan and wide area network. Wide area network, or we call WANs, span broad geographical distance, entire region, states, continent, or the entire globe. Computers connect to WAN through public network, such as a telephone system or private cable system, or through leased line or satellites. Metropolitan area network, MAN, is a network that spans a metropolitan area. Usually a city is a major suburbs. Its geographic scope falls between a WAN and a LAN. Transmission media and transmission speed. Network use different kinds of physical transmission media, including twisted pair wire, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, and media for wireless transmission. Each has advantages and limitations. Bandwidth transmission speed. The total amount of digital information that can be transmitted through any telecommunications medium is measured in bits per second, or we call BPS. The number of cycles per second that can be sent through that medium is measured in hertz. 1 hertz is equal to 1 cycle of the medium. The range of frequency that can be accommodated on a particular communication channel is called its bandwidth. The bandwidth is the difference between the highest and lowest frequency that can be accommodated on a single channel. The greater the range of frequency, the greater the bandwidth, and the greater the channel transmission capacity. So that's all from me. Thank you so much and see you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.